May nagtanong sa akin kung saan mas magandang pumasok sa consultant QS, as a consultant QS or client QS or sa main contractor QS. I suggest papasukin mo both kasi mas maganda kung alam mo kung anong trabaho ng consultant QS at saka yung sa general contractor QS. But I suggest i-try mo muna, pagbaguhan ka, try muna sa general contractor or sa main contractor, the contractor QS, para malaman mo yung mga detalye, yung mga maliit na bagay, paano ginagawa o paano yung sa lalo na sa on-site. Try mo muna. Then after that, if you want to hop on a larger job, then try consultant QS naman. Para at least both part may experience ka at meron kang knowledge on both part kasi they will work together in one project. So they work collaboratively closely in each other. So mas maganda kung malaman mo yung dalawa. So that's it. Thank you. Bye bye.